Welcome to the second part of WPS Office. Today I'm going to be taking you through WPS Writer. Won't be going through every function in WPS Writer, but quite a few of them. So open WPS Writer if you haven't already. It'll be on your desktop, or you'll find it in your Start menu by going All Programs, WPS Office, and there. Click on it there. When you open it up for the first time, you will get this screen, which is a whole lot of templates you can use, download, but I want you to click on blank document. Alright, because I've been using mine for a while, yours may look a little different. You may not have the bar across the top and down the side like I do, but across the top you've got the ribbon and all the tabs. It looks similar to the most recent versions of Microsoft Word. The first tab is your Home tab. It should be selected by default, and as you can see, you got your fonts, size of the font, and all the bullets. And then you've got the Insert tab, where you can insert tables, insert a picture into your document, shapes, and a chart, and many other different things. Next tab is Page Layout, where you can set your margins, page orientation, page size, and split the page into columns. The next tab is References. In the References tab, you can insert a table of contents, update a table of contents, insert footnote, end footnote, mail merge, and a lot more. The next tab is your Review tab. Spell check, word count, thesaurus, the view, where you can change the view of the document. The View tab, change it to full screen. Press escape to get out of it. Outline. Or web layout. I'll go back to that. And here's where you can get rid of or add certain things on your page. So I've got ruler ticked. Untick that, the ruler disappears. Okay. You can view guidelines. Navigation pane, zoom, then you got the Sections tab, Developer, and special features. Now you're probably wondering where the menus are. All the normal menus that we normally use. Click on that arrow at the top, and then there are File, open a new blank document, Save, Save As, Print, send email if you wish, and you've got Edit, View, where you can change page layout, etc. Change the formatting of the page, Tools, and so on. Alright, as well as those other menus I've showed you, we've got a few up the top here. You've got Sign In, Online Templates, and you can switch language. This little t-shirt where you can change the interface, the help, hide toolbar, minimize the window, restore window, and of course the close. Down your bottom right hand corner you've got full screen, print layout, outline, web layout, eye protection mode, night mode. Let's go to night mode. Dims the display. Eye protection mode. Changes the color. And of course you've got zoom. I think that was there. A nice little feature that WPS Office has is you can change the interface to look like an older version of Microsoft Word. I personally don't like the ribbon and the tabs at the top. So if you want to change the look of it, click on this little t-shirt here. And click on, which is skin management, and it's, as you see, it's select 2016. Office 2013, black and blue, and of course classic style. So I like classic style. It will ask you to restart when you click OK. Click on OK. Will take effect after restart. Yes, we know that already. And there you go. Looks like Microsoft Word 2003. Which I much prefer. So if you have used an older version of Office, say 2003, all these menus and will be familiar to you. Of course, you've got the font face, size, that bar there, print, and down on this toolbar below you've got all these icons. But if you've never used a word processing program before, this is your document, blank document. So it has chosen that font by default, but if you don't like it, we can change it. So you just highlight it by holding down left click and moving your mouse over the text. Click on that font. Oops, I'll select Arial. We can make it as big as you want, as big as this will allow it. 72 is biggest by the looks of it. Bold. Just reduce it a bit. You want to color it. And you can add a color to the background of the text. This is where you align the text. So middle, left alignment, right, and justified. If you want to insert in a table into your document, go to Tables, Insert, and Insert Table. Now it'll ask you for details about the table, basically the properties. So we'll just go where it's already selected. 5 columns for 2 rows. We'll add a couple more rows than that. We'll go 5 rows. You can fix the width or just leave it automatic. For this, I'm just going to leave it automatic. And you can have it remember the table properties for next time, but I'm not going to tick that box. So just click on OK. And there's your table. Now we can resize the cells. We're just clicking, left click. Put your mouse there. Hold down your left mouse button and drag in whatever direction yes, okay, my table cells aren't, columns aren't equal. To color these cells in your table, or whole row if you want to, put your cursor in the cell that you want to color. Right click and go down to borders and shading. Click on the shading tab at the top if it's not selected already. Go to fill. I like red, so we'll select red. That's for pattern style. We'll leave that as clear. Now on the right hand side, you can apply the color to the whole table, to a paragraph, or to that cell, or the whole table. But we're just going to select the cell. Do the same thing in another cell. make it Christmassy. Select cell. Now let's try a whole row. And there you go. That's how to colour the cells. So that's it for my not WPS Writer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.